Morning everyone. So today we are going to study the last topic of this chapter. इसके बाद we'll continue with the exercise. So this chapter is the last topic is saving the document. The document must be saved into the memory of the computer for its future use. ठीक है, once you have prepared your document, your Word document is prepared once, and for future use, for example, you have written anything about your school and you have saved the done the file, completed the file. So if you have once done with the file, you must save the file. Why? Because in future you might need the information which was written by you in that file. So for that you must save the file in the memory of the computer. Once the document is saved, you can review and edit it anytime in the future. Okay, once you have saved the document, it can be edit matlab you can add more lines, add anything to it, etc. and review it, मतलब आप उसको दोबारा से देख सकते हो. And so what are the steps which we follow while saving the document? First of all, we'll click on the backstage view. First we'll click on the file tab. It is file tab में आप click करोगे. File tab में आपको बहुत सारे options मिलते हैं. New, save, save as, open, print. These are the options which you get in the file tab. Then from there you will have to choose a backstage view will appear in front of you. You will click on the save और सेव एज बटन. आप सेव या सेव एज बटन पे क्लिक करते हो. नो, सो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू बटन, सेव एंड सेव एज? इफ़ यू आर सेविंग योर फाइल फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, ठीक है, जैसे आपने एक न्यू फाइल को खोला, क्रिएट किया न्यू फाइल, ऑन द टाइटल बार द नेम ऑफ द फाइल document1 shows up. ठीक है, नाउ सिंस यू आर सेविंग द फाइल फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स से योर फाइल नेम इज आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल. आपने जब पहली बार अपनी फाइल को सेव किया विद द नेम आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल, द नेम विल शो अप इन द टाइटल बार ऑफ योर विंडो. ठीक है, नाउ फॉर यू हैव रिटन एनी, यू हैव वन सेव द विंडो, सेव द फाइल, क्लोज द विंडो. उसके बाद आप दोबारा से उसमें कुछ टाइप कर रहे हो, देन यू विल नॉट सेव एज द फाइल, यू विल जस्ट सिंपली सेव. So this is the basic difference between save and save as. And through keyboard, what is the key which saves the document in the file? ठीक है, although you can. Okay, so this is the difference between save and save as. Save as is done for the first time, and when the same file has been opened and a work is done in that file again and again, then we use the save button. So I was telling कि आप ये जो file tab से you can choose save and save as, but through the keyboard, which is the short key which you will use to save the file. The shortcut key is the Control plus S, CTRL, that is Control plus S. ठीक है, S is for save. So simultaneously you will press the Control key and the S key from the keyboard, then your file will be saved in the computer. So this is the shortcut key for saving the file. Now you can click the save button. There is a save button on the quick access toolbar to save the file. As we have already discussed that there are 3 buttons in the quick access toolbar, that is your save, undo, redo. ठीक है, from there also you can choose this button save. It has a certain type of icon. You can choose that icon from that quick access toolbar and save your file. The save as dialog box will appear. ठीक है, click on these areas to navigate the folder in which you want to save the files. Now the computer also provides us the facility to save our file in any particular area. Say you want to save your file in the desktop area. Desktop screen क्या थी, जो welcome screen के बाद हमें screen दिखती थी, that was your desktop screen. If you want to save your file on the desktop, that if you want to save want that your file should be shown on the desktop only, then the location of your file, the location of saving your file can also be determined by you. You can save your file on the desktop also, and if there is any particular folder in which you want to place your file, that also you can choose from this dialog box. Okay, now click on these areas to navigate the folder in which you have to save the file. Then you will click in the file name text box and type the name for the file. Then once you have chosen the location for your file to be saved, then the computer will ask you to type the name of the file. ठीक है, say पहले जो by default the name of the file is document1. Now once you are saving the file, you will save the file with your desirable name. आप कोई भी name अपनी file को देना चाह सकते हो. ठीक है, उस check box में you have to type the name of your file. Say I am saving my file with the name Army Public School, so I will write Army Public School in that dialog box. Then after writing the name of my file, I will just simply click on the save button. The word saves the file with the name which I have typed in that checkbox. उसके बाद a new file name appears. As soon as you will type the name of your file, जो आपकी फाइल का नेम है, it will appear in the title bar of your window. So these are the steps by following which we can save our files. तो first आप क्या कर सकते हो, you can directly click on the file tab. From there you can choose the save option, save or save as option. Second option is that you can choose the save button from the quick access toolbar. वहाँ पे icon बना होता है save का. From there also you can save your file. And third, by using the keys, there is a shortcut key for saving the file which is Control S, CTRL plus S. You have to press both the keys. Control key is also there on the keyboard, and S, the alphabet key is there on the keyboard. So simultaneously when you will press the keys, एक साथ ही जब आप प्रेस करोगे तभी आपके सामने सेव एज का डायलॉग बॉक्स विल अपीयर. ओके, इट्स नॉट दैट कि आपने कंट्रोल पहले प्रेस कर दिया फिर ए प्रेस किया, एस प्रेस किया, तो दैट डायलॉग बॉक्स will not appear. Both the keys need to be pressed simultaneously, then only it will appear on your screen. The save as dialog box will appear on the screen. Okay, then you have to just type the name of your file, and your name of the file will shows up in the title bar of your window. So these are the steps which we by following which we save our file. So this was it for this chapter. We'll continue with the question and answer of the chapter in the class. Okay, thank you everyone.